Welcome back, grade 4. Today in math, we're going to be working with single-step word problems using multiplication. What is a word problem? A word problem is a few sentences describing a real-life scenario where a problem needs to be solved using math. But how do we solve a word problem? How do we even know where to begin? With 5 simple steps. C-U-B-E-S spells cubes. C stands for circle the numbers, U for underline the question, B for box the keywords, E for eliminate and evaluate, and S for solve and check. We will ask the students to copy these down into their notebooks, and then we'll do some practice together. So the question is, a craft store ordered 8 bags of marbles. There were 157 marbles in each bag. How many marbles did the store order? Okay, so let's go back and look at the steps we just wrote down. The C stands for circle the numbers. The next step is U. Underline the question. What is the question in this word problem? Here's a hint. All question sentences end with a what? A question mark. Next step is B. Box in the key words. How do we know what words are important? The answer is any words you think will help us answer the question. The next step is E. Eliminate and evaluate. We can eliminate or take out all of the words that are not important and evaluate or decide if we need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. We know that because we are grouping 157 marbles into 8 bags, we are going to be multiplying. So we have already decided we are going to use multiplication because we are grouping 157 marbles into 8 bags. Let's solve this using the box method. And here we have the answer, 1,256. Let's do one more. Ms. K is baking cookies for 5 classes. Each class gets 126 cookies. How many cookies does she need to bake? Don't forget to follow your steps. What does the C stand for? Circle the numbers. What is the next step? Underline the question. And the next step is box the keywords. The next step is eliminate and evaluate. We know that because we are grouping 126 cookies into 5 groups that we are using multiplication. The last step is S, solve and check. Please solve this using the box method. And the answer we see here is 630. Then we have the students answer these 2-word problems on their own to see how well they did. Here's the answer for number 1. And here's the answer for number 2. Okay, guys, that is the end of reviewing word problems for today. You can use this information to answer your Google Forms a little bit later, and we'll be back with you again real soon.